Good afternoon. I'd like to share with you today what we've done to configure this scanner to easily accept either single-page invoice documents or multi-page invoice documents for Walter Dimmick and deliver those to the DocuWare system. So we spent a good deal of time looking at the easiest way to do that, whether it be stacking documents in scanning the entire batch and using barcodes to separate those documents. But what we've determined is it feels to be much more efficient with the type of documents that we have here to simply use the scanner in a hand-fed mode and scan in either a single-page batch or a multi-page invoice batch. And we do that by simply walking up to the scanner, and I've got these buttons configured so that I can simply scroll down to the first batch job, which is for single-page invoices, and click Enter, and it automatically launches the PaperStream software so that it's presented to the user. They don't have to remember where to click or anything of that nature. The scanner will initiate itself. And as we talked about previously, we've configured the scanner so that it could handle long mode scanning, and I just submit that into the scanner. It scans. We can also scan, of course, 8.5 by 11-inch page. Sorry for the challenging feeding here, but I'm doing that with just one hand. And here we've scanned all those documents, and they'll be saved in DocuWare as single-page invoices. Now, once that stops scanning here, we can set the timeout mode to whatever we like. We can then tell it that we do not want to continue scanning, and I'm just going to say no. And the scanner will present, the system will save all those documents for us, and we can release them as a batch job to DocuWare. Next up, we can select from the scanner that we want to scan a multi-page batch of documents. And I will do this. Basically, it's the same process. So we initiate that process, the scanner prepares for us, and we scan these documents one at a time as we're doing here. So you could rip through maybe 50, 60 pages in a minute or two, which means it's extremely efficient. We could also have had stacks of multi-page invoices here, and we can configure the system to recognize barcodes in between them. So we could feed a barcode page just saying, here comes another multi-page document. So, doing some time tests here, we feel this is the most efficient way to accomplish capture of both single-page and multi-page invoices.